PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy welcome you. In this session I am going to explain you method of variation of parameter. Method of variation of parameter. So method of variation of parameter. So method of variation of parameter, there is the formula. So the complementary function is CF. The complementary function is C1F1 plus C2F2. This is the complementary function. Particular integral is PF1 plus QF2. So what is a P? P is equal to integral minus integral f2x divided by f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash. Q is equal to into dx minus integral f2x divided by f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash into dx. Q is equal to integral f1x divided by f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash into dx. Okay, so this is the formula. P is equal to minus f2x divided by f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash into dx. Q is equal to integral f1x divided by f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash into dx. So therefore the final general solution is equal to C1 f1 plus C2 f2 plus particular integral. So this is the final answer. So C1 f1 plus C2 f2 plus the particular integral. Let us see one example. So the example is solve d square solve d square. Example 1, solve d square plus a square into y, which is equal to tan ax by the method of variation of parameter. By the method of variation of parameter. By the method of variation of parameters. So answer is, first you have to you know very well how to solve the differential equation. So given d square plus a square which is into y which is equal to tan ax. So the auxiliary equation is m square plus a square which is equal to 0. So m square is equal to minus a square. So m square is equal to minus a square means what is the m? M is equal to plus or minus ai. So therefore the roots are in complex numbers. The complementary function is y is equal to c1 cos x. So c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. The complementary function is c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. So you can compare with the formula already as I explained you. The complementary function in method of variation of parameter is C1F1 C1F1 plus C2F2. You can compare here. F1 is what is, F2 is what is. So what is the F1? F1 is cos ax. What is f2? Is sin ax. So you have to write f1 is equal to cos ax. f2 is equal to sin ax. f1 dash. f1 dash is equal to, you have to differentiate cos ax. If you are differentiating cos ax, you will get minus a sin ax. If we are differentiating sin ax, that is f2 dash, a cos ax, that is the differentiation of sin ax. So next you have to use the formula. Before using the formula, we have to find f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash, which is equal to f1 f2 dash. F1 is cos ax, f2 dash is a cos ax minus f2 sin ax minus a sin ax minus a sin ax minus a sin ax. So sin ax minus a sin ax. So if you multiply these, you will get which is equal to cos square ax plus sin square ax, right, into a. So a into cos square ax plus sin square ax, which is equal to a into 1, which is equal to a, right, because the sin square ax plus cos square ax is equal to 1. So you know it, I think. So this is f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash is equal to a. Now we are going to use the formula. What is the formula? Already as I have explained you, the formula is, here is p is equal to minus f2 of x into dx divided by f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash. Q is equal to integral f1x divided by f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash into dx. So we are going to find p value, q value. So p is equal to minus f2x divided by f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash into dx. Okay, so what is f2? Already we know f2 is equal to, so we know very well everything. So minus integral f2 is sin ax. X is, what is x? In the given equation, d square plus a square is equal to tan ax. That tan ax is x. So tan ax, that is x, divided by a. So whole divided by a into dx, which is equal to, now you have to write minus integral. So this can be written as sin ax into tan ax can be written as sin ax divided by cos ax into dx, whole divided by a. So that whole divided by a can be written as, which is equal to minus 1 by a integral. The numerator, if you are multiplying, sin square ax divided by cos ax into dx. So what is a cos ax? Minus 1 by a sin square ax can be written as 1 minus cos square ax divided by cos ax into dx. This can be written as minus 1 by a integral. You can divide into 2, 1 by cos ax minus cos square ax divided by cos ax into dx. Okay, so which is equal to minus 1 by a integral. What is 1 by cos ax? That is a secant ax minus, here cos square ax divided by cos ax, you can cancel. So this will be 1 cos ax. Cos ax, if you are integrating, you will get, right? So I have written here, so I am writing here cos ax into dx. So you have to integrate it. After that you have to integrate it. Minus 1 by a integral secant ax minus cos ax. What is integral secant ax? You know very well, I think, which is equal to, that is the formula, minus 1 by a. Integral secant ax can be written as 1 by a log of secant ax plus tan ax. This is the formula for secant ax minus cos ax if you are integrating sin ax divided by a. Sin ax divided by a. If you multiply this minus 1 by a, right, inside there are two terms. If you multiply, you will get, so minus 1 by a square. So therefore 1 by a square sin ax minus log of secant ax plus tan ax. So this is the answer for p value. So p is equal to minus the 1 by a into 1 by a log of secant ax tan x. I have multiplied inside minus 1 by a. So that's why p value is equal to 1 by a square into sin ax minus log of secant ax plus tan ax. Secant ax plus tan ax. So this is the answer for p. So next I am going to find the value for, okay, q. So q is equal to q which is equal to integral f1x divided by f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash into dx, which is equal to integral, what is f1? That is cos ax. What is x? That is tan ax. Already I explained what is how to find x. So divided by a into dx, which is equal to 1 by a integral cos ax. Tan ax can be written as sin ax divided by cos ax into dx. So sin ax, this cos ax divided by cos ax cancel. So which is equal to 1 by a integral sin ax into dx. 1 by a integral sin ax into dx. 1 by a, the integral sin ax into dx, which is equal to 1 by a integral sin ax. Integral sin ax can be written as, if you are integrating, minus cos ax divided by a. So q is equal to minus 1 by a square minus 1 by a square cos ax, or cos a minus cos ax divided by a square. This is q value. So therefore final answer is p is equal to particular integral. So particular integral is pf1 plus qf2. So pf1, p is, what is the p? P is equal to 1 by a square sin ax minus log of secant ax plus tan ax. This is p value into f1. F1 is cos ax. Next minus 1 by a square, right? Q f2 minus 1 by a square cos ax. F2 is again, right, f1 is cos ax. So here is cos ax into sin ax. So this is the particular integral. Okay, so you can simplify this, because you can multiply and simplify it. So you will get, if you multiply and simplify it, you will get, which is equal to 1 by a square cos ax, 1 by a square cos ax into sin ax minus log of sin ax minus log of secant ax minus log of secant ax plus tan ax into dx minus sin ax. So this can be simplified, which is equal to minus 1 by a square cos ax log of secant ax plus tan ax. Okay, so this is y values can be written as cf plus pi, particular integral. So y is equal to, you can write y value is equal to c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax minus 1 by a square cos ax log of secant ax plus tan ax. So this is the final answer. Thank you.